Good morning, learners! Are you excited for today's lesson? Come and join me in an awesome adventure in music, arts, PE, and health. Dahil sa MAPE 8, easy pa yung siksik, katawan ay liliglig, kaya halina at matuto with Ma'am A.
Art 8 Quarter 3 Lesson 1 Arts of South Asia and West Asia. Lesson is Rangoli. MELC Competency. And this is our lesson objective. What can you say about the Rangoli here? Isn't it beautiful and appealing? Ano ang naaalala ninyo na kaparehas nito sa atin? Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art form of India. It has two words, Rang meaning colors and Avali meaning colored creepers. Rangoli is the art of making design or patterns on the walls or floors of the house. It uses finely ground white powder along with different colors. Here are the different Rangoli designs. It can be flowers, swan, creepers, mangoes, and other patterns. Pag sinabing patterns, ibig sabihin may sinusundan. Ito ay maaaring paulit-ulit. Rangoli represents happiness, positivity, and liveliness of a household. Rangoli together with the diyas lighted on to light the way of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and good luck. It is believed that a house without a Rangoli and clean entrance is an abode of Dari. Are you ready to create a Rangoli art? MQ3L1 Rangoli. Create your own Rangoli art. Materials, paper plate, and crayon. Here are the other examples of paper art Rangoli. Enjoy creating your own Rangoli art. And hello there! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share para marami pang mapanood na MAPE 8 video lessons.
What an awesome adventure we had today. I hope you learned a lot. Remember that a sound mind is a sound body. See you again for the next adventure in music, arts, PE, and health 8.